Technology is the biggest change, and we have definitely kept up with the times. Bill is constantly reading articles and watching programs and learning about all of the latest innovations, and we get all the journals and read all of that. Our technicians stay up to date with all of that as well, and we keep up with the diagnostic testing equipment that, because it's not like it used to be where you just pull out a carburetor and overhaul it. These cars, they're all electronic, and you have to have the right tools to diagnose them.
We also have all the latest technology in scanners. We have most of the OEM scanners for Jeep, Ford, GM, Chrysler, Nissan, Toyotas. So we have the technology that you only usually find at a dealership level, which is very helpful to us to fix your car much quicker and efficiently. And the quicker we can do it, the more efficient we are, then it's cheaper for the customer.